In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Bitstamp account. So now, to fully access Bitstamp features, you need to verify your account by completing the Know Your Customer or KYC process. And in order to do that, you'll need to go to the official website of Bitstamp. And in here, as you can see, you will see here the Get Started button if you haven't yet created an account in here. And you can also click this Go to Platform to directly go to your account here in Dashboard. So as you can see in here, I already created my account but not yet verified. So in order to do that, click this Start Now in the Get Verified sections or form or something like that, and Start Now. And in here, you'll need to enter your phone number. So you'll need to enter your phone number in here. So assumingly we've entered our phone number in here. And wait for the OTP to send to your number. And then once the OTP is sent to your number, you'll need to input the code in here. So assumingly we've finished this steps. So in here, you'll need to choose what account type after that. So you can choose personal account for individuals, traders. You can also choose the corporate account for business entities. And in here, you'll need to submit your personal information also. You'll need to submit your full name, that is match your ID, and then your date of birth, residential address, and then the nationality and country of residence. And after that, for the identity verification, you need to upload a valid government-issued ID. Passport is most recommended, but you can use the national ID card and driver's license. And make sure the document is clear, not cropped, and shows all the details. And also, for your proof of residence, you'll need to upload a document confirming your address, such as utility bill, electricity, water, gas, etc., and bank transfer and government-issued letter. So the document must be recent, issued with the last 3 months, and show your name and address. And then after that, you'll need to verify your email and phone number. Just simply click the email confirmation link sent by Bitstamp on your Gmail account, and then enter the verification code sent to your phone, like I said a while ago. And you can also enable the two-factor authentication or 2FA for extra security. Set up a Google Authenticator or SMS-based 2FA. And after that, wait for the approval. So the verification process typically takes a few hours to a few days. So you will receive an email once your account is verified. And so once your verification is complete, you can start trading, depositing, and withdrawing funds on Bitstamp. And that's it. That's how to verify your Bitstamp account here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.